Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today we will do another 1 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour, 10-hour drawing challenge, this time with Goku vs Cooler first fight. I got everything ready, so I think we can get right into it. Cooler is one of my favorite villains, I love his design, so I will really enjoy drawing this. I will talk to you again when these 3 drawings are done, so make sure to watch it all, and I see you again in a few minutes, so let's go. Alright guys, here we have the final results and I think that's not too bad. For the 1 minute drawing we got the sketch of Kula final form, and for 1 minute it's okay I think. For the 10-minute drawing I wanted to challenge myself even harder, so I drew a dynamic fight scene which looks pretty good. Of course it's not that clean and looks rushed, but for 10 minutes I think I did a pretty good job. For the 1 hour drawing I wanted to create another cool shot, so I drew Goku Super Saiyan from the back and in front of him is Kula ready to fight. I also gave it a nice background, and for 1 hour I managed to do the sketch, the inking with the thick lines, the whole coloring and shading for the entire drawing with background, and I think the proportions are also very good. So I really like these 3 drawings considering the time I had for them, and for the 10-hour drawing I was thinking of something really crazy. So for this as well I wanted to challenge myself even harder once again, so instead of a very detailed easier drawing which could easily take me 10 hours, I was thinking of a very dynamic fight scene to make things even more interesting. And to make it even harder for me, I am drawing all of this from the mind as well, so using no references. I am drawing on an A4 size paper, so I was a bit worried that I would finish this way too early, but let's check it out. Alright guys, I'm adding the last details to the drawing, and as you can see, I got over 2 hours left, so I was right about finishing this one early, but it's all good. This is the final result of Goku vs Cooler, and I think it looks pretty good. It's very dynamic, detailed, and I managed to fit everything on this A4 size paper sheet. I like the proportions a lot. It looks natural, not too stiff, and also the background looks very nice. It's a nice freehand drawing, and I think this was a nice time-limited drawing challenge. Next time I think I will go with the first fight of Goku vs Broly. What do you think? Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon if you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this on full time on my real time channel, so you can follow my steps even easier in case you want to draw this yourself. The one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and now you can also download the digital version of my drawings, so check out the shop. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in the video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next